Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. There is another breaking news. Accenture announced the custom software engineer Python freshers hiring and experience at the Pune office, and Infosys DSE off-campus exam is again cancelled. So we will discuss about each and every update in this today's video. Apply for all opportunity, like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds, and we are sharing the genuine hiring opportunities, so you guys will get best placement as soon as possible. As we know that custom software engineer opportunity is already posted. I already tell you that you have to apply for this opportunity or not in the 1 day ago video. So custom software engineer experience is 0 to 2 year. Required skills is Python programming language. Understand one thing, that 0 to 2 years of experience is required. They clearly mention you have minimum 0 to 2 years of experience in Python programming language. This position is based at Pune office. A 15 year of full-time education is required. Means you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, you can apply for opportunity. Side by side you can see the other experience opportunities as well. Understand one thing, if you are very interested for the opportunity, if you are sure that yes you can apply for opportunity and your resume will be shortlisted, so just go ahead and apply. One thing that I have to mention, we are providing 100 plus ATS resume friendly templates, 7,000 plus aptitude question, all in one placement bundle, 500 plus coding question, 100 plus resume template, 7,000 plus aptitude question, 500 real coding question. Everything is present on our service page, and we are only taking the platform charges. More than many candidates, like 200 plus candidates already purchased this because they think that it will very good, and yes, it's very good. You can definitely crack opportunity by taking this. So you can just check out this page, the link is in the description. Infosys off-campus recruitment, important update on SP and DSE online assessment. We have an update regarding the online hiring process. The assessment schedule for 31st May has been deferred. We will reach out to with updated schedule once we plan identify. We truly appreciate your flexibility and understanding. From the last 2 to 3 years, this type of things is not happen, but this year I think they have some error in their platform. That's why they are revising the date so many times. So they will share the revised exam date, will be shared with all the registered candidates in due course. For any queries you can respond to this email. One thing, apply for all other opportunities, don't wait for single opportunity for a long time. It's my humble suggestion to all of you. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.